He proposed, you guys. He proposed all over again. Look at the bling. Look at, oh my gosh, honey, look at that. Honey, look at that.
You see, when I'm coming to you, it looks...
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in France. I can see the sun peeking up outside, but it's that time of year where it's chilly and I'm cold. But it's not yet time to turn on my heater because inside my house keeps the heat really well, and I like when it's a little bit cool. I don't like when it's too hot, so I'm not yet ready to turn on the heater. But anyway, I'm coming to you guys this morning with a gift. But first, let me tell you that today I'm gonna call today Mel's Day. It's called Mel's Day because I am heading out in a bit. I'm all dressed, not yet fully dressed because I have to accessorize, and that's the fun part, what I'm gonna share with you guys. But I'm giving you guys all this information in one. So I'm heading out real quick to go to the spa, and then later I'm gonna go on a movie date with my friend. So before I head out to the spa, I want to share something with you guys that I'm gonna accessorize my look real quick, and I have to share, before I share what's inside, I have to share with you the outside because it's the most elegant jewelry boxes I've ever seen. You guys check out the detail on this jewelry box. Fit for a king or a queen. Look at that. Yes. So look, kind of even matching. See, fall right in line. So anyway, this jewelry that I'm about to show you is from a company called Dazzling Vivian, and Dazzling Vivians have the most exquisite, beautiful pieces that I've seen on their website. They have jewelry to fit every single occasion, and their pieces are just absolutely beautiful. And when I got the opportunity to choose few of the pieces, it just fit right in place. It was perfect for me, and I'm going to share with you the pieces that I'm about to wear today. And not that I'm just going to share with you the pieces, but I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to get yours and get 15% off by using the code Delaveaus15 right now, and get 15% off. And it comes right in time because guess what, it's Christmas time, and you guys gonna want gift for your family, for your wife, for your friends, and these are perfect. These are perfect. So the first piece that I'm gonna show you guys, which is my favorite piece of the three pieces that I chose, yes, I'm gonna be that person that choose the favorite. So when I saw this piece on the website when I was choosing, I go with this one because it reminds me of the very first ring that my husband got me. I want you guys to see the detail of the stone inside of this ring. Hold on, hold on. I have to give it to you good. I have to give it to you real good. I'm going to make sure that you guys get it the way I am getting it. The camera is doing no justice, but just look at this beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is a ring that I choose from them, and their rings are absolutely beautiful, and I felt like I'm being engaged to all over again. So here we go, and it fits perfectly. Call me Mrs. Delaveaus all over again, okay? Because this ring, you guys gonna see it a lot because it's gonna stay on this finger. So I can say my husband finally proposed because I'm back with my ring on my finger. So this is the ring that I chose, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'll leave the link down below of the exact pieces that I have in case you guys want to get these exact ones. And then another one of my favorite is the earring. Now, I do not own an earring with this kind of style. So when I saw these, I'm like, yes. When I saw these, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna choose it. So there you go. You guys, look at that. Just look at the stone. It's the stone for me, okay? Guys, it's the stone for me. Look at that. I'm gonna wear this one on my date. Look at that. Look how elegant that is. Oh my gosh. So these are the earrings, and I'm not wearing any makeup today because at the spa I'm going to get a facial. So, and then I have a third piece, which is the necklace, and the stone in this necklace is also absolutely beautiful. So I want you guys to get a real good look of the stone. Look at that. Look how absolutely beautiful that is. And then you have the stone in the middle and the small ones around it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's dazzling. I guess that's why it's called Dazzling Vivian. Oh. So there you have it, guys. These 3 amazing pieces from Dazzling Vivian, and hopefully you guys go ahead and get yours right now. 15% off the Delaveaus 15, and I'll leave the link of the website and the pieces down below, and you guys will get a chance to see all the other pieces that they have over there on their website. Anyway, you guys have a good day, stick and stay, and come along with me to go to the spa and on these dates. So love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day. You guys will see the rest of the family in a bit. So deuces, I'm out. See you guys later. Don't forget to purchase your pieces right now. Everybody at home chilling. Sarah, say hello to the faves. How are you? You're okay? Babe.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. How are you?
How are you?
How's your hand?
I'm okay.
How's your hand?
It's there, unfortunately, but I manage.
Okay. And the other one, Tyler, turn around. Say hello. What are you doing? Okay, Mama soon come back, okay? Sit tight, dear. They're playing cards. And so I got the spa. Don't know if you guys ever see a vlog with me at the spa before, but this is the spa that I always goes to. This is what inside is looking like. Nice little space. They also do those nails here. And those are the products, the brand of the store. I love coming here. It's always a good time here. So, I take off my jewelry. Today I'm gonna do 2 things. I'm gonna do a facial, and I'm gonna do a sports massage because I work out so much in the day. Bonjour. I work out so much, my body is aching. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have a whole new face. Look at my face. My face is popping. It's the first facial I've done in a long time, and the products that she uses, oh my gosh, they are so good. I had to ask her when we were finished, what did she use? Oh my gosh. But she showed me the things that she used, and they're so expensive. No wonder why my face feels that good. And the massage was amazing. I did a sports massage because you guys know I work out so much, but I normally do relaxation massage. I think my body was in need of a deep massage, so that was good. And now I am heading back home to my family, and then I'm gonna head out later again on my date to go watch some movies.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
I am back, and look at these three. Look at them. Look at them under there. Same place I left them is the same place I came back to see them.
Est-ce que 8 c'est dans la tablette? Ah non, attends, juste je vais prendre une carte. Voilà. Vous voulez jouer? Ok. On va faire Pokémon.
Ouais, tu vas jouer au Pokémon.
Oui. Ah, je sais. C'est parti. Toi et Sarah, vous allez faire équipe.
La famille, tu veux quoi pour dîner?
Tu veux quoi, Sarah, pour dîner?
Pikachu.
Elle veut Pikachu.
Tyler,
Yes.
what you want for dinner?
Fries. I mean, yes, fries.
No.
Oh, you have fries
You have
already.
fries yesterday, I have fries in the week. Okay, you guys, I've been back home for a while. I even worked, edited a bit, and I made dinner. Didn't take you guys along on the dinner cooking process, but here is what I made for the fam bam. So you guys know that we've been into couscous lately, so that's Tyler couscous, and he love not just eating the couscous alone, but he love when the couscous is blended with rice. So I made rice, I made couscous, and this also is one of our favorite dish: creamy broccoli, cauliflower, and mushroom. And that's gonna go with some salmon. And I had made macaroni and cheese for lunch. So yeah, my job here is done. Sarah's taking a nap. I'm gonna pick her up, make sure she gets something to eat, and then I am gonna head out with my friend to the movie with Danielle. So I won't be home for the next roughly 3 to 4 hours, so they will give the kids dinner and take care of them until I get back. So have a little me time. Of course, I'm gonna put on back my Dazzling Vivian's jewelry, and I'm gonna head out in fine style. So catch you guys in a bit.
What is that?
Sorry,
No, this is soy. What
Both.
is that? Soy is brown.
it's melting.
It's yellow.
Come tell Fizz what you just asked me. He asked me where I'm going.
So you're going like this? You're going date or you're going?
I'm obviously going on a date. You jealous?
Okay.
You jealous?
I never had that for me. So much, these shining, bright and
Shine bright like a diamond.
yeah. What?
Mama.
He proposed, you guys. He proposed all over again. Look at the bling. Look at, oh my gosh, honey, look at that. Honey, look at that.
You see, when I'm coming to you, it looks.
Just propose and done, honey. Go down on your knees. Come. Go down with your one hand. Ha! The cat. He's stuck. Look at him. He's stuck down there.
No, it's hurt.
Is you stuck?
I have to do it with the left hand.
So what you have to do with the left?
Because the right hurts.
They can't see your face or your skin in your teeth. Anyway, you guys, ow. I'm gonna head out and leave them. Baby's like, who's that pretty girl though? It's me!
Yes, goody. Where you going like this?
Going on a date?
You're going on a date? D-A-T-E?
D-A-T-E, you jealous?
Wow.
You guys, look at this.
Oh, I
Thanks
like
to Corona.
have the bin behind
It's
too.
going in the bin. The bin behind that, babies remind me that the bin is behind. Yes. It's going in it. My boots. Who wanna get the boots for Christmas? It's on my wish list. My favorite color, brown and black. Thank you in advance. Anyway, you guys.
You want to put your address down below in the description box?
But if you guys can just contact me, I'll give you my address. I like to show you guys my outfit when I'm going out on dates with my friends because you guys don't get to see this a lot. Samela looking all razzle dazzle in her Dazzling Vivian. Give them a close-up shot, babe. Give them a close-up shot. Necklace uncheck. Anyway, you guys, I'm heading out right now. So have fun without family because I'm carrying you with me. Anyway, I'm ready. My dates. We're such a perfect date that we're matching. Look at us, look at us, look at us, look at us. Hello. You guys, we're at the movies and I had no time to vlog while I saw Danny because we were just chatting away. We had no time for you guys, sorry. But we're at the movies, got our Starbucks. Winning. And popcorn. Anyway, you guys, time for movies. And we're seeing Black Panther, so perfect. Later. Voila, we made it. Must see. How was it? Review. Tears. Hi you guys, I have been back from the movies and looking after everybody because they're all heading to bed and I'm about to take off my dazzling jewelry and get comfortable. So I'm just coming on to end today's vlog. Wakanda is a must-see. Black Panther is a must-see. Make sure you have your tissues when you go and watch it because it's absolutely beautiful. I can't stop look on this ring. Anyway, you guys, and please go ahead and click the link down below and get 15% off your jewelry, and use the code Delaveaus 15. I'm gonna let you guys say bye to the kiddos and everybody else, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So here goes the goodbyes. Sarah, say goodbye to Faves. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. You guys can tell she's not feeling well. Tyler, say bye-bye. Why your face look like that? You're too funny. What are they making? What are they making?
I didn't hear because you're talking.
Okay, sorry. And I don't know where my husband is, so you guys will catch him on next day. Babe! Say bye! Louder!
Yeah, whatever.
See the boat. Say goodbye to Faves.
Where you expected me to be?
Say goodbye. I didn't know where you were.
I'm gonna show us feel that I'm somewhere that I am not. So
You're a hot
I'm
mess.
happy she catch me on the camera. Hi guys, I hope you had a good day. I wasn't there, so I'm sure you missed me. Because the other girls there, she are boring girls.
What?
You're boring.
I'm boring?
Yeah.
Why am I boring?
You're boring. She's boring.
I didn't
need to
miss
shave.
you.
You want to shave me?
No. You're gonna stay like that if you can't shave yourself. What you think me for?
I'm boring.
You fucking laundry though? With your half hand.
I tried.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.